Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to another video on my channel. Now today's video is going to be super special because I have an exclusive product to show you all. This is Aputure's brand new mini LED light, the ALMW. The special thing about it is, this is the most brightest mini LED light in the market. Now previously Aputure's ALMX was the most brightest one, but now they've come up with this new model called the ALMW. It's almost 2 times brighter than the previous model. And the W in the name stands for waterproof, guys. Yes, this compact LED light is also waterproof. It's IP68 rated dust and water resistant, so you can take this light and go up to a depth of 10 meters underwater. Like, how cool is that? In this video, we'll be unboxing and checking out all of its features. So let's get started with the video. So the Aputure's brand new Amaran ALMW comes in this sort of box packing. It says ALMW at the top, MW stands for mini and waterproof. Below that you got some of its highlights, let's check them out. It's IP68 rated dust and waterproof, has high color rendering cheap onboard LED, comes with 10 adjustable brightness levels and 5 special lighting effects. So those were some of its key features. You also have a picture of the light on the box. Let's see what else is written on it. Looks like there's nothing much written on the box except the Aputure branding. Alright, let's get started with the unboxing. Let me grab my knife and cut this seal over here. I want to thank Aputure for sending me this product for review. Okay, let's open the box and check out the product. Looks like we've got some paperwork in the box. It's a guarantee card. And along with that, we've got a nice carry bag over here. I guess the light is inside this case. We'll just come back to that in a moment. First, let me see what else do we get in the box. Okay, we've got a user manual and a silica gel packet. Just make sure to read the manual for all the info on the product. Let me just keep all this stuff aside and check out the light. So the Aputure's ALMW comes in this nice looking carry case. The quality of the case is really good. It's like a compact hard shell case and makes it very easy for carrying. You got the Aputure branding on the front and love the red and black color scheme on it. Let's open it and see what do we have inside. Here we go. So here it is guys, Aputure's Amaran MW. It's a super bright compact mini LED light. Wow, this thing looks beautiful. You've got the COB LED on the front, it's a big block of LED. This is the first time Aputure has bought COB LED in such a mini light. I can't wait to put it to a test. We'll talk about the light and all of its features in a moment. First, let me also show you the other items you got in the case. You also get a USB Type-C cable in the box. Just look at the quality. Amazing! This cable is used for charging the light. Along with that, you get a Velcro with double-side stickers, a silicone light diffuser, and a lot of different color temperature gels. You've got almost 6 to 7 different gels ranging from white, CTO, CTB, half CTO, CTB, and even quarter CTO and CTB. All of these are super useful. So these are all the items you got in the package. Now let me give you a closer look at the light. So this is how the Aputure's new ALMW super bright LED light looks like. It's quite compact, just the size of your palm, and has a rectangular form factor. So on the front side you got the cheap onboard LED and comes with the snap-on plate. Using this you can easily fix all the gels on the light. I'll show you how to do that later in the video. So this is how the MW looks from the front. I really love that red colored chamfered edge all around the body. You've got the Aputure branding on the left as well as on the back side. The back of the body has a heat sink kind of design and feels very premium. And this is how it looks from the top angle. You've got the control panel here with 4 buttons and some status LED indicators. Alright guys, so that was our unboxing part of the product. Now let me just give you an overview on the light and then we'll talk about different aspects about the product. First, let's talk about the build quality and the form factor. The ALMW has this compact form factor. It's very easy to carry in your hand. You can just place it in your pocket and take it anywhere easily. Talking about the build quality, the body is entirely made of metal guys, aerospace grade aluminum, so it's very nice, feels very rugged, durable, and top-notch build quality guys, nothing more to say. So this is how the backside looks like. You've got this heatsink kind of design, so I guess the thermal management on it is going to be good. You can use it for much longer durations also without that much heat. You've got an Aputure logo here, and at the bottom side you've got this 1/4" thread, so you can even fix it on tripods, monopods or light stands. And not only that, you can also attach some cold shoe mounts and even directly fix it on top of cameras. That is super useful. And coming to the top, yes, on the side over here you got a USB Type-C port that is used for charging, and at the top you got all the controls and the buttons. You've got about 4 buttons over here and some LED indicators. This is the power button. You just need to press this for about 1 or 2 seconds to power on the light. Then you've got an FX/booster button. and 2 more buttons to control the brightness. So let me just give you a closer look at the light and then tell you about the different modes and lighting effects available on this light. The ALMW has a COB LED on it and is a super bright light. It's almost 2 times brighter than Aputure's ALMX. Talking about the light output, I'm not 100% sure about the numbers because the company has sent me a prototype and the product was under embargo while making the video. But I guess it's got an output of around 6200 to 6500 lux at 0.3 meters. I'll keep you guys updated with the exact details once they're available. Alright, let me power it on and show you. You just need to press the power button for about 1 to 2 seconds to turn it on. There you go, the ALMW is powered on. Right now it's in 30% brightness mode. This light has a fixed daylight color temperature of around 5500 kelvins, but you can change the color temperature by using the provided gels. Let me show you all the brightness levels on it. We'll start from the lowest level and go step by step to the max mode. The light has a total of 10 brightness levels and changes from 0 to 100% in steps of 10. Oh my god, are you guys seeing the output? This is nuts! The ALMW is so bright that you can't look at it directly. Wow, this is definitely the brightest mini LED light I've ever seen till now. I've used both the ALM9 and also the ALMX, but this is way brighter than them. And if you're thinking this is the max brightness, well no, you can even push it beyond the limits. There's a special booster button on it which when enabled goes 25 to 30% above the maximum brightness. It gives you that extra punch when needed in critical situations, but this booster mode has a limited working time. It operates at 60-second intervals after which it automatically turns off. I was pretty satisfied with the output. And not only that, the MW also has some onboard special lighting effects. These effects are pretty similar to the one found on 120D Mark II. To access these lighting effects, you need to press and hold the booster button for about 3 to 4 seconds, just like this. It's got a total of 5 different lighting effects. Let me show them to you. The current one is called Paparazzi, which gives you an effect of camera flashes at the subject. By single pressing the button, you can switch between the effects. This one is called Fireworks. The next one is my favorite called the Faulty Bulb. It creates an effect of flickering light from a faulty bulb. Just have a look. You can use these modes to give awesome dramatic effects in your videos. And lastly, you have lightning and TV effect. To stop these effects, just press and hold the boost button for 3 to 4 seconds and you'll come back to the normal mode. So as I've shown you previously, we get about 7 different gels in the package, using which you can change the color temperature of the light. You've got 3 shades of orange, 3 shades of blue, and a normal diffuser. You just need to place the gels in the plate like this and fix it on top of the light. Super simple, right? Let me actually put them in front of the LED and show you the different color temperatures you get using these gels. Using these orange gels, you can get warm color temperatures, and the blue ones produce cooler temperatures. Now let me tell you about the performance and the quality of this light. The ALMW is a super bright light and the diffuser on it was also doing a good job. It was diffusing the light uniformly and was producing nice and soft lighting. The Amaran MW is a great compact light. It's got 95 plus CRI and TLCI ratings, has very good color reproduction capabilities, and just like the other Aputure lights, it gives excellent skin tones in your videos. I have to tell this is the most powerful mini LED light I've ever used till now. Let me just increase the brightness to the max and show you. The light was so bright I was not able to look at it even with the diffuser. Talking about the applications, you can use this light in wide variety of situations. The possibilities are endless. I've also told you that it's waterproof, right? Yes, it is IP68 rated dust and waterproof. You can take this light up to a depth of 10 meters or 33 feet underwater without the help of any case. And to put that to a test, I'll be dropping the light in this bowl full of water and see if it survives. This test is actually nothing compared to what it's capable of. I initially planned on diving with it in my pool, but the water was so freaking cold due to the weather, I dropped that idea. Alright, here we go. One more awesome thing is you can fully control the lights even underwater. All the buttons and controls were working fine without any issues. Okay, now let me take it out and see if it works. As you can see, everything is working perfectly fine. The ALMW has definitely passed my water test. Now let me tell you about the battery life. It's got a built-in rechargeable lithium battery, and on an average it offers up to 80 to 90 minutes of battery life at the max brightness mode. And in the lowest brightness gives up to 24 hours of battery life on a single charge. And charging it with the Type-C cable from 0 to 100 took about 2 hours. So that was my video on the Aputure's brand new ALMW LED light. This is an amazing light. It's got top-notch build quality, is fully dust and waterproof. The COB LED on it is super bright with high CRI levels, has amazing lighting effects, and the battery life was also great. If you're looking for a mini LED light with super brightness and all-weather solution, then you should definitely try out the MW. The only thing I felt is the light is a bit expensive, but again considering all of its features, it's very hard to complain. The ALMW costs around 14,000 rupees. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below, you can check it out there. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you all enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.